Man, that heat is on as always.
And it is not letting up. I'm telling you, we are looking at triple digits the rest of this week and next week as well, with a little break in the middle. The dangerous heat alerts do continue. We have an excessive heat warning until this evening, and this is for heat index values of 110 plus. We're expecting a prolonged period of time with triple digit heat index. For most of us, that's most of the afternoon. Right now at DFW, 93, but it feels like 99. Our humidity is still elevated. And despite that southwest wind at 10 to 20, generally that helps bring in some slightly drier air in place. That southwest wind is the reason why yesterday we were able to make it to 108 degrees. It's that slight dry air that warms quite a bit faster than humid air. 95 right now in Fort Worth, but it feels closer to about 101. We're looking at a blue sky overhead. High temperature today makes it to about 107 in Fort Worth, 106 in Denton, 103 in McKinney, 106 in Dallas. I'm expecting the temperature to be a few degrees higher than that for our western counties. Our western counties will be dealing with that slightly drier air, so it warms up a bit faster. Our eastern counties could stay in the upper 90s with about 99 in Greenville. It'll still feel like the triple digits, though, when you factor in the humidity. Now, our western counties, pretty much anywhere along I-35, including the Metroplex and west, we're dealing with high heat. We're dealing with a breezy southwest wind, and some dry fuels are still in place. What that means is high fire danger. We do have an elevated fire danger, not just this afternoon, but the remainder of the week for similar conditions. That's just something to keep in mind whenever we have dry air that's moving over vegetation that can generally dry out our soil. So again, yesterday, hottest day of the year, we made it to 108 degrees. The record for yesterday is 110. That was set in 1980. The last time we had a temperature in that range was actually 109. We made it there last summer, July 18th, 19th, and 20th. I don't think we'll make it there today, but we get very close to it. Now, the triple digits here to stay Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The heat index will be the highest today, close to about 110, about 107 for the heat index Thursday, 106 on Friday. We are expecting a cool down Saturday and Sunday, and by that I mean the mid-90s, all thanks to a front that arrives late Friday into Saturday. It also brings us a small potential for rain. Now, that small cool off, it is short-lived. I'm going to show you how many counties, though, in the state have some kind of a heat alert. Most of the state under a heat advisory or an excessive heat warning. I'm going to pan out more and show you. Now, these alerts do extend from California, portions of the desert Southwest, and as far east now as areas of Florida, as areas of Alabama. I am also seeing those heat alerts extending into Kansas and into areas of Missouri. Now, there are some locations that are dealing with record heat, not with the high temperatures, but how long these temperatures are lasting. Phoenix, for example, reached 19 days with temperatures of 110 or higher. El Paso yesterday made it to 33 days with 100 plus degrees, and the heat index in Miami has just been in the triple digits for the past 38 days now. Now, what's going to happen is that area of high pressure that's bringing in this intense heat, or the heat dome, it's going to scoot off towards the west here. And when that happens, it'll allow for a front to move in. That front is going to bring us very small rain chances. I'm thinking about 20% coverage for us on Saturday, mainly east of the Metroplex. Most of us will stay dry. But the added cloud cover helps us out with staying in the mid-90s, staying below that century mark. We'll be back in the triple digits, however, next week. The mornings remain warm and muggy with lows in the low 80s. Tashara.
Okay, Mariel, thank you.